Welcome back from the break. Before the break, we were given examples of words with the sound ah. Let us continue. The ah sound can be pronounced and spelled in words that have the letter OU and OO. For example, OU, country, couple, cousin, southern, enough, young, touch, trouble, double. In OO, we have blood and flood. Now that we have been able to identify some words with the ah sounds, let us look at the minimal pairs of this sound with sounds like ah, and I take it again. Ah, and Minimal pairs are pairs of words or phrase in a particular language, spoken or signed, that differs in only one phonological element, such as a phoneme, tone, or chroneme, and have distinct meaning. A phoneme is a distinct unit of sound in a specified language that distinguishes one word from another. For example, we have and respectively. Let's take some examples. Luck, lark, lock, leg. Art, ought, earth, cup, cap, cop, cab, cut, cat, caught, and hurt. Burn, ban, bond, and burn. Turn, turn, tap, and turn. Listening practice. Can you hear the differences in sounds between these sentences pairs? Listen and repeat after your teacher. There is a dark or dog down the road. The boy was wished good luck / luck by his friends. There are many cups / cups in the kitchen. He had a cut / cut on his leg. The man lives in a big hut / hut. The answer to these sentences are: number 1, duck, spelled D-U-C-K, not duck, spelled D-O-C-K. The sounds are ah and o. Number 2, luck, spelled L-U-C-K, not lock, spelled L-O-C-K. The sounds are ah and o. Number 3, cups, spelled C-U-P-S, not cops, spelled C-O-P-S. The sounds are ah and ah. Number 4, cat, spelled C-U-T, not caught, spelled C-O-T. The sounds are ah and o. Number 5, ought, spelled H-U-T, not ought, spelled H-O-T. The sounds are ah and o. We'll be back after this break.